Flax seeds are so small that they can slip unnoticed into a smoothie, a loaf of bread, or a bowl of oatmeal, but their power against cholesterol is far greater than their size suggests. Inside these tiny golden or brown seeds lies a combination of fiber, lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids that makes them one of nature's most efficient protectors of the heart. Their soluble fiber works like a net, trapping LDL cholesterol in the digestive tract and carrying it out of the body before it can ever sneak into your bloodstream. It's almost as if thousands of flax seeds, once eaten, transform into a vast shield wall, linking arms and forming a barrier that prevents harmful cholesterol from passing through. But the story of flax seeds doesn't end with fiber. They are also one of the richest plant sources of lignans, powerful phytoestrogens that act as antioxidants. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in your blood vessels, keeping LDL from oxidizing and sticking to arterial walls. Oxidized LDL is like sticky glue for plaque, and lignans step in to dissolve that glue, making sure your arteries stay cleaner and freer. Imagine the flaxseed shield not only blocking LDL's entry but also polishing the arterial walls, removing any rough spots where cholesterol might want to cling. What makes flax seeds even more remarkable is their plant-based omega-3 fatty acid content, known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are well known for reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health, and flax provides them in a gentle, sustainable, and vegetarian-friendly way. With less inflammation, your arteries remain flexible, your blood flows more smoothly, and your cholesterol balance shifts toward protection. Taken together, fiber, lignans, and ALA create a triple line of defense, making flax seeds a tiny but mighty fortress for your heart. Research has shown that incorporating flax seeds into daily meals can significantly lower LDL cholesterol, improve overall lipid profiles, and even help with blood pressure regulation. What's inspiring is that such a small addition, just a spoonful or two, can make a measurable difference over time. And because they are so versatile, you can scatter them into nearly anything, blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them over yogurt, stir them into soups, or bake them into muffins. Ground flaxseed is especially powerful since grinding helps release the nutrients that the hard shell would otherwise keep locked away. Beyond cholesterol, flax seeds support digestive health thanks to their fiber, contribute to hormonal balance with their lignans, and even help stabilize blood sugar. Their benefits ripple outward, creating an environment where cardiovascular risk is reduced from multiple directions at once. It's like watching a small stone dropped into a pond, sending waves of protection across the entire body. Picture your bloodstream after a few weeks of daily flaxseed intake. Where LDL particles once tried to slip by, they are caught in a fiber net. Where arterial walls once faced oxidation and sticky buildup, they are now polished clean. The seeds form not just a barrier but a shimmering shield, surrounding your heart with layers of protection, all while you barely notice them blending seamlessly into your meals. In the end, flax seeds prove that greatness doesn't always come in bold, flashy forms. Sometimes it comes in something so tiny you might overlook it, yet strong enough to stand guard over your most vital pathways. Each spoonful is like scattering a handful of microscopic protectors into your body, quiet, consistent, and endlessly loyal to the health of your heart.